Yes, good morning, beta. Yesterday we were revising visualizing solid shape, and tomorrow you have test of this chapter. So let's continue with that. We have discussed faces, vertices, and edges of cube, cuboid. Now let's start with the pyramid. Pyramid. What is pyramid? What is pyramid? Yes, anyone who can explain meaning of pyramid, prism? Yes, Arish, Dia, Akul, Raghav, Taranya, yes.
Ma'am, a pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon and whose lateral surfaces are triangle with a common vertex.
The common vertex, yes. Actually, the name of the pyramid is kept after the base. If the base is triangle, then the name of the pyramid is triangular pyramid. If the base is triangle, the name is square pyramid. And if it is pentagon in the base, it is pentagonal pyramid. So let's start with the pyramid. But your definition can come in the exam. You have to learn it, or maybe the definition will be written and you have to recognize that whose definition is that. Okay, you have to recognize. Now pyramid, firstly we are making triangular pyramid. Okay, so triangular pyramid, in the base you will draw one triangle, and in the upper face you will take one common vertex, as Taranya has already told you. This is the net of the triangular pyramid, and when you combine all the vertices at the top, it will become like this. Got it? So this is your triangular pyramid. As the base is triangle, so its name is triangular pyramid. And one more thing, if all the triangles in case of triangular pyramid will become equilateral, then this pyramid is called tetrahedron. Got it? If all the faces of the pyramid are in the form of equilateral triangle, then this pyramid is particularly called tetrahedron. So this can be asked in any way, what is tetrahedron, or maybe the definition is written, or you have to recognize a term for that. So you can write the faces, vertices, and edges. Yesterday we have discussed this. Faces are n+1, vertices are n+1, and edges are double of n. Double of n. Got it? अब जिसका भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आएगा ना, उसको ऐसे ही बता रहा है, इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. ईशान, आपका भी कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है क्लास में. रोल नंबर 15. Now the triangle has three sides. If you put 3 here, if you put 3 here, if you put 3 here, answer is 4, 4, and 6. So these are the faces, vertices, and edges. Now everyone draw square pyramid. Draw square pyramid. You will draw a square. You will take one vertex here. You will join all the vertices. This will be your square pyramid. And you will use the same formula to find the vertices, edges, and faces. Hurry up. Find this. Draw this first and find it. Yes, Lavish, give answer. Faces.
Ma'am, faces में ma'am n+1, 4 + 1 is equal to 5. Then ma'am, vertices में 5 + 1 is equal to 6. Then ma'am, edges में 2n is equal to 2 into 8.
Vertices are also same. 4 + 1, 5.
Ma'am, okay. 4 + 1, 5. Then edges में आता है 2n, 2 into. Edges में आता है 2n, 2 into 8, 16.
2 into
8.
नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कितनी है स्क्वायर की?
स्क्वायर की एक मैम 1 है.
Square, how many sides?
Ma'am, square has 4 sides, so faces are 5. 4 + 1, 5, and vertices are 4 + 1, 5, and the edges are 2 into 4, which is 8.
8. Lavish, you are taking sides of square as 8. Everywhere.
मैम मैंने आंसर को कर दिया into.
बेटा 16, हाँ आंसर को नहीं करना ना. n plus 1, n plus 1, 2n. You will put n as 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, and 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8.
8, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the faces, vertices, and edges. Yes, everyone, draw pentagonal pyramid. Draw pentagonal pyramid. Hurry up. Draw this and find the faces, vertices, and edges. Yes, who want to give answer for this? Have you applied the formula?
यस मैम.
Yes. Are
मैम इसके फेसेस हो जाएंगे n+1 जो कि 5+1 6 हो जाएंगे. वर्सेस इसके n+1 5+1 वो भी 6 होंगे. और इसके एजेस 2n 2 into 5 10 हो जाएंगे.
Yes. We are talking about pentagonal pyramid. So you will draw pentagon in the base. You will take one common vertex. You will join all these to get your pentagonal pyramid. And faces are 5, means side pentagon has 5 sides. So you will put 5 here. 6, 6, 10. Got it? Got it? Now, in the same manner, draw hexagonal pyramid. Draw hexagonal pyramid. Hurry up. Draw it first and find the faces, vertices, and edges. Yes. Hexagonal pyramid. You will draw hexagon in the base.
Yes, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Ma'am,
Wait, हाँ जी बोलो बच्चे, आप बोलो पहले.
Ma'am.
जिसने फर्स्ट पहले माइक इसका ऑन हुआ है वो बोले पहले.
मैम मेरा हुआ था ऑन.
मैम
आप बोले नहीं. अब गर्ल्स में से किसका था? दिया, बोलो आप.
ma'am, n+1 equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7. n+1 equals to 7
Yes.
and 2n equals to 12.
2, 6 are 12. So faces are 7, vertices are 7, and edges are 12. Got it? Now, who will tell me what is prism? What is prism? Yes, Harman? Prism. Lavish. Akul.
Ma'am, a polyhedron.
Ma'am, prism is a
polyhedron with two polygonal faces lying in
polygon
parallel
base.
line.
Ma'am, polygon base.
A prism is a polyhedron whose top and bottom is a polygon which is same in shape, and lateral faces are parallelograms which are congruent to each other. And lateral faces are parallelograms which are congruent to each other. Got it? So again, prisms are always named after the base. If the base is triangle, it is triangular prism. If the base is square, it is square prism. Got it? Now let's start with the prism. Let's draw triangular prism first, and then we have general formula that we discussed yesterday also. So triangular prism, you will draw a triangle in the upper face. I am making it in horizontal manner. You can also draw it in the vertical manner if you want. Draw the corresponding vertices. That will be your triangular prism. So faces are, can you tell me the formula?
Ma'am,
Faces
2
are
plus n.
2 plus n. 2 plus n.
Ma'am, n plus 2.
N plus 2. Vertices,
Ma'am, vertices are 2n.
edges,
Ma'am, 3n.
3. So it has n is 3 here. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. You can count faces. 3 side faces, 1 top, 1 bottom, 5. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? So these are this is the triangular prism and faces, vertices, edges we have written. Now draw square prism. Hurry up. Draw square prism. Square prism. Draw square prism and write FVE for that.
Ma'am, done answer बोल दूं?
Janvi, be attentive, all of you in the class, and try to give response in the class. Arshpreet, Ansh, Abhishek, Anjani, Toranya, Shabad. Why you all are not responding in the class? Kavish, Jasmine, Janvi, Ishan, Gurdit, Tanmay, Tanisha, Suruchi, Samiksha, Anjani,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in a square prism.
one by one.
Ma'am, मैं बोल दूं?
Wait करो इधर. बोलो आप, हरमन बोलो पहले आप.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in square prism, it will faces will be n plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and vertices will be 2n is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8.
थोड़ा माइक ट्यून करो, बहुत ज्यादा लाउड है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, edges is 3n, that is 4 into 3, that is 18.
Firstly, what you will do, you will draw a square prism like this. What is the another name of square prism? Yes, Diya, Hari. What is the another name of square prism? The side face, top and the bottom.
Cuboid.
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 Cuboid. It can be cuboid
Ma'am, cuboid.
or cube also, not cuboid only. It can be cube or it can be cuboid. Okay, so both can be the answer. So here you will use the formula 2n.
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
कट कट गया.
Network issue will be there. N is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 4 is 12. So these are the faces, vertices, and edges that you have already discussed in case of cuboid. So same are the faces, vertices, and edges for square prism. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So draw pentagonal prism. Yes, everyone, draw pentagonal prism. Draw pentagon in the upper and the bottom face and join their corresponding groups. Hurry up. And tomorrow you have test. It's compulsory for all of you to give the test, and on the very next day you will get your answer key and you can check your test. Okay. So test time is.
Ma'am, हो गया ma'am.
Have you drawn?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, yes. Can I tell please?
Wait. Let everybody complete.
मैम आपकी आवाज मैम बहुत वो हो रही है मैम, कुछ पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है आपकी आवाज को, बफर हो रही है बहुत.
Is it okay now?
No, ma'am. वैसे ही.
Next, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैं आंसर बता दूं.
Follow. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Ma'am faces are 7.
Wait, Lavish. Wait.
Okay.
Yes, Harshpreet.
मैम
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
बोलूं?
नहीं,
मैं बोलूं?
Harshpreet बोल
Ma'am,
रहा है.
face is equal to n plus 2 is equal to, that is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and edges is equal to 3n, that is 5 into 3 is equal to 15 edges, and vertices is equal to 2n, that is 5 into 2 is equal to 10 vertices.
Okay, very good. This is the general formula that we have applied here to find the faces, vertices, and yes, right
Ma'am,
down.
your voice is not clear, ma'am.
मैम माइक की तार को थोड़ा सा हिला के देख लो. ठीक हो जाएगा.
मैम ठीक से सुन भी नहीं रही मैम. पहले थोड़ा सा ठीक था मैम, अब बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही.
एक मिनट जरा मुझे चेक कर.
मैम अब बात. मैम हो गया
तो
अब.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
देखो जरा इधर. देखो क्वेश्चन.
मैम फिर वैसे ही होगी.
मैम
Can a polyhedron. अब ठीक है. Is it okay?
नो मैम. अब तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा.
एक मिनट फिर वेट. Yes, write down. Can a polyhedron have? Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 10 faces, 20 edges, 20 edges, and 15 vertices? Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges, 15 vertices? So here you will apply Euler's formula, and if left hand side is equal to right hand side, then you can say that yes, polyhedron is possible, otherwise not. Then what is Euler's formula? That is F plus V is equal to E plus 2. So apply the formula on both the sides separately, put one line between, check whether they have same answer or not. If yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no, it is left hand side equals to right, not right hand side, because 10 plus 15 equals to 25 and 20 plus 2 equals to 22.
okay. So both the sides are not having same answer. That's why we can say that polyhedron is not possible. Okay. Any doubt? Write down next. Find the vertices. Find the vertices of the polyhedron having 5 faces and 9 edges. 5 faces and 9 edges. Find the vertices of the polyhedron having 5 faces and 9 edges. Hurry up. Anjani. Toranya. Yes, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am. Vertices are 6. F plus V equal to E plus 2. So 5 plus V equal to 9 plus 2. 5 plus V equal to 11. V equal to 11 minus 5, which is 11 minus 5, which is vertices are 6.
Okay. Yes, listen, beta.